What's the meaning of cross-country? Cross-country. Cross-country.
Cross-country. Cross-country. Cross-country is a term used to describe an activity or sport that involves traveling over natural terrain, typically on foot or by bicycle. It often involves running or cycling through hills, forests, and fields, over uneven ground, and sometimes through water or mud. Participants must navigate their way along the course, usually marked by flags or markers, seeking the quickest and most efficient route. Cross-country sports can be very demanding, requiring participants to have good endurance, strength, and coordination. Overall, cross-country refers to any activity that involves traveling across country, rather than following a set route or path.